Hello, good afternoon, everyone. We are here at the stall of SWELECT and we are having Mr. Manish with us. And let's start this conversation knowing more about Sir.
Thank you, Rupal. SWELECT HHV Solar Voltaics. It is a 40 years old group. Our main group is SWELECT Energy Systems. Okay, and we are the 40 years old group, and we have the diverse business portfolio. We are the IPP developers, and then we have the having the EPC projects, and then we have this into product business. Like we have the solar product modules, and we have the solar module mounting structures, ACDB, DCDBs, and our module manufacturing facility is located at the Coimbatore. We are having 700 megawatt facility, and the market is very promising, and in futures we have plans to expand very fast. Okay, and we are expecting that policies will be in favor of Indian module manufacturing manufacturers, right? And currently we have the monopark, and we are coming up with the latest technologies, TopCon, that is in certification process. We are about to launch this product in the month of May. Yeah, that's all about the SWELECT.
And what are the new opportunities and challenges do you see for solar industry?
See, market is very promising. The main challenge is the government support. Currently, this is the ALMM approval. This ALMM, because that earlier the government has enhanced this actually, but after that it has been revoked. Okay, so we are expecting that ALMM will come in a favorable manner for the Indian modules. So that's all we are expecting. Market is very promising, and marketing is expanding very fast also.
And what are your expansion plans?
Yeah, currently we have the 700 megawatt, and based on this government policies, we have plans to expand. We have plans to expand more than 1.5 gigawatt in a times to come. But again, depends on the policies. Yeah, and in the coming time, we will be coming with the cell manufacturing also in facility in Coimbatore. Yeah, earlier this company was HHV Solar. We had acquired this company a few years back, around 10 years back. This was the Tier-1 company, and now we have relocated our factory from Bangalore to Coimbatore, and we have applied for the this Tier-1, and very soon it will be Tier-1 rank module.
As we know that BIS and ALMM certification is important for every manufacturer. So what do you think, how much this is important for the manufacturers?
This is important that we already have the ALMM as well as the BIS.
Okay,
For TopCon it is in process, but for the monopark module, which is the existing one, we are already having all the certifications. Even we have the US certification also for the export market.
apart from India, what are the other country or regions you are catering to?
Currently, we are catering India, but we have plans to expand also, and we are supplying our modules in a very low quantity in export also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.